In this video, we're going to show you how to use Obsidian to write a novel. Writing a novel involves managing a large amount of information, including chapters, characters, locations, plot points, timelines, and research materials. Staying organized throughout the writing process can make it much easier to develop your story and keep track of important details. However, many writers struggle with scattered notes, disconnected ideas, and documents spread across multiple applications. As a novel grows, finding specific information can become increasingly difficult. The good news is that Obsidian provides powerful tools for organizing writing projects, connecting ideas, and managing large amounts of information in a single workspace. By the end of this video, you'll learn a simple method for using Obsidian to plan, organize, and write a novel. So, let's get started. The first step is to create a dedicated vault or folder for your novel project. This helps keep all story-related information organized in one location. Next, create separate notes for important elements of your novel. For example, you might create notes for characters, locations, chapters, plot outlines, timelines, and research materials. Organizing information into separate notes makes it easier to update and reference details as your story develops. Now create a note for your novel outline. Use headings to organize major plot points, story arcs, chapter summaries, or scene ideas. As your outline grows, you can link related notes together using Obsidian's linking feature. For example, you can link character notes to chapters where those characters appear. You can also link locations, events, and research notes to relevant scenes. Next, create individual notes for each chapter. This allows you to focus on writing one section at a time while keeping the overall project organized. You can use tags and properties to track chapter status, revisions, point of view characters, or story progress. Another useful feature is Graph View. As you create more notes and links, Graph View can help you visualize connections between characters, locations, and plot elements. This makes it easier to identify relationships and maintain consistency throughout your story. As your novel grows, continue updating your notes, outlines, and links to keep everything organized and easy to navigate. In most situations, this is all you need to do. Now let's quickly recap what we covered. First, create a dedicated space for your novel project. Second, organize characters, chapters, locations, and research into separate notes. And third, use links, tags, and properties to connect information throughout your story. Remember that writing a novel is not only about drafting chapters, it's also about managing information and maintaining consistency across the entire project. Using Obsidian's organizational tools can help you stay focused, reduce confusion, and make your writing process more efficient. This is especially useful for authors working on long-form fiction, series, complex story worlds, or research-heavy novels. Taking the time to build an organized writing system today can make your novel much easier to develop and complete in the future. And that's how to use Obsidian to write a novel. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others who use Obsidian. Your support helps us create more tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and productivity tips to help you get the most out of your digital tools. If there's another Obsidian feature or issue you'd like us to cover, feel free to leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your suggestions and ideas for future videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.